Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am planning for the week of August 14th through the 20th. Now, the kids and I are on vacation from the 14th to the 18th, so this is going to be more of a decorate with me versus a plan with me, because I don't really know what our plans are while we're there. I just know when we fly back. And then there's a couple plans on this Saturday and Sunday. So what I'll be using are World Traveler stickers from According to Allie. One I will use in this weekly spread, and then the other one I will use in my daily journal. I find it slightly ironic because we're not actually traveling the world, we're still staying in the same country. But anyway, and I'll be using these map circles from Create with Mandy. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna put down is, I'm trying to look in the map. Dominion of, that's Canada. Canada. Yes. So that's kind of where, that is where we're going. Duh. I'm like, where do I want to put this? So I'm going to place this just here. Although, can't live without my hexagon stickers. And then place this up here. And I'm going to put probably this. I'm going to cover up the 16th, which is fine. Or maybe cover up. I honestly don't mind covering this whole section up because I know what day it is. There we go. And more washi this way. Just like that. And I'm gonna place, I'm actually just gonna place a few of these around the top to kind of create my own little washi border up at the top, as you would like to call it. Then a few of these, which I think this would then go very well there. And there. There we go. So you can see what I'm doing here up at the top is just kind of making my own. I'm gonna put coffee there. And then it's really going to be very simple because I have no idea what we're doing, other than the fact that we come back on this date. And I'm going to put the let's go here because that's our flight for the evening. Then I'm going to add some washi down here. With hat, and sunglasses. And then over here, you know what, I don't even need to use this all. It's just, I don't even need to use them all because I can save some of these for my daily journal that I'm going to plan in. So again, very simple. The only things that I can actually put in here are, for example, the kids' swimming lessons. Oh, and the cleaner comes that day. Kids swim. And then let's pull out my trusty icons. And I scheduled the cleaning to come basically the day after we get back, which I'm very happy about. So, I mean, I'm not coming home to a clean house, but at least I won't be the one cleaning it. Okay. Then we have a big family dinner here, but I don't know the exact time. And then on Sunday, Henry has Ninja. Oh, only 3 of these left. Well, now 2. Oh, so cute. I will have to buy more. So 11:30 to 12:30 each at Ninja. All right. So those really are the only things that I can put in this spread. So I have been filming for 5 minutes. I'm going to take you guys through decorating my daily spread from the 14th through to the 20th. So let's go there. All right, so I haven't actually decorated for the prior week, but that's okay. So let's use some of these here. When I decorate my daily pages, I try to really keep it simple. I keep it to a bit of washi, maybe a travel circle. Oh, that's cute. And then one of these. So I'll probably put the luggage up here. Oops. With the quote, "Wanderlust is strong, desire to travel." And then I'll place the camera here. So that was a lot of stickers on one day, but it's very satisfying to finish those. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, again, see how quick it was for me to just decorate that. Placing the washi this way. And the same on the other side. When I'm doing 2 pages as well, I try to have consistency in how I'm placing the stickers down. So I'll put this on the 18th. I'll put a globe with the passport and a few of these. I like that. Simple. And then I will write in those. And then Thursday, wow, Thursday, Friday already. And then if I have stickers left over, then I will go back and add some more. So then again, adding my washi, adding some more washi. And because we fly out on the 18th, I will place this like so. And whoa, place this just like that. Let's go. Although we will be sad to go. Whoops. We will be sad to go for sure. It will definitely be nice to have the time away. I'm really looking forward to a week off, and I plan to completely unplug from work. Okay, and then putting another one of these here. This adds just a little bit of extra color and interest to the page, which I like. Cute. And then Sunday, perfect. Like I said, I try not to think too much about where I place these stickers, because at the end of the day, there goes Lucy. They're just stickers. So I'm gonna put this here, and then coffee and sunglasses, because it may be a day that I need coffee and sunglasses. And lastly, the little airplane. So again, really cute, really quick. It's my daily journaling covered for the week of the 14th. 15, 16, very simple. 17, 18, and then 19, 20. So there is my Hobonichi cousin for the week of the 14th, using According to Ali's World Traveler set and some Create with Mandy map circles. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me or decorate with me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Also remember that I am an affiliate for According to Ali, so if you use the code Karina10, you can get 10% off her stickers and her sticker albums, which I absolutely love. And what was I saying? Don't forget to go ahead and like my video and to subscribe. Thanks again for watching and have yourselves a great day.